I get so many questions at this time of year about sunscreens, so I'm going to talk through that, but also I'm going to talk about general sun exposure information in relation to holistic living. So it's only in the last few decades that humans have started fearing the sun, and let's be clear, even the World Health Organization report that we've never seen more skin cancer or autoimmune diseases. It's not the sun that's the problem, it's our toxic lifestyles. So here's what you need to know. By using chemical-laden sunscreens, we're actually inhibiting the body's ability to absorb the essential vitamin D from the sun. Next, store-bought sunscreens are highly toxic, and they will ensure a whole host of toxins enter yours and your children's bodies, making cancers and autoimmune issues more likely to get triggered when you reach that point of toxic overload. You literally cannot detox when you are blocking the pores and the body's lymph system, which is what conventional sunscreens are doing. That is super dangerous. The more omega-3s and whole foods you have in your diet, and the less omega-6 vegetable oils and processed foods, the less likely you are to burn. The more toxins in your body, the more you'll burn. So here's what I do for me and my kids. Never use conventional toxic sunscreens ever. I allow myself and my kids a minimum of 20 minutes of uninterrupted sun exposure before using even natural sunscreen. We get plenty of omega-3s and healthy fats in our diet. We limit processed foods, stay away from seed oils. The more omega-3 fatty acids in our diet, the more likely we are to absorb vitamin D from the sun. And during the winter, we supplement with vitamin D to get enough. I'm also sun smart. Don't put your kids in the sun, or at least cover up with hats when the UV rays are the strongest. Another little hack for you, you get most vitamin D when there is more near infrared light, which you get early morning and close to sunset. So for all my sunscreen recommendations, check the captions, and for an entire article on this subject, head over to my website.